Namaskar, dear parents, teachers, and students. It's a very special occasion today as you receive your scholar badges, your scholar coats, blue ties, and all other academic awards. It must be a very, very proud day for all of you, as it is for us. Your teachers have worked hard with you over the past many years. You have worked hard on your academic excellence, and your parents have supported you on this journey. And together, all three stakeholders take pride and joy at this little achievement of yours. I have always believed that doing well is a habit. Just like sometimes being lazy is a habit, or being neat is a habit, or being particular about things is a habit, in the same way, I think doing well also becomes a habit. So if you are used to getting good marks, if you're used to being prepared for exams, if you are used to getting the scholar badge, it actually does become a habit. And it's a very good habit, I think, because it pushes you towards excellence the way nothing else does. And to be honest, children, it does matter how you do. It does matter in the sense of which college you will get. When you apply for a job, people will see how you have done academically. What else did you do besides academics? Did you sing? Did you dance? Did you debate? Did you do any community service? All those things matter. As a school, DPS Jaipur is committed towards academic excellence and providing you with opportunities of growth in many other ways. So, should you want to participate in inter-school events, should you want to create more opportunities by way of clubs or programs within the school, please reach out, because I think eventually as the world unfolds, people are looking for diverse skills in children, in young people. And those diverse skills, fortunately or unfortunately, are honed and chiseled in school. So if you have an idea, share it. If you want to do something, tell your principal, tell your vice principal, and just get down to doing it. There can be many ways for not doing something. That there is no time, I don't have the wherewithal, I don't have other people who think like me. But if you want to really start doing something, do it now. There is only one reason to do it, that you want to do it and you have the passion. And once you start something with passion, trust me, children, everybody will join you. So while we are today celebrating academic excellence, let me also urge you to look for excellence in some other field also. Academics is important, certainly, very, very important. But along with that, each one of you should look inside and see what else can you do. Pick up any one skill and start working on it. Because the scale is huge, your canvas is beautiful. You just have to pick up the paintbrush and start painting it. Not literally, but finding your skills, finding what you want to really, really do, and start working on it. I am sure your parents will support you. I am sure we as a school are going to support you, look after you, and ensure that whatever you have picked up, whichever skill you want to work on, we are there to help you reach your goal in the best possible way. So stay strong, stay healthy, stay well, stay safe, and carry on achieving these lovely milestones that will bring pride and joy to your family, to your school, and one day, I am sure, to the nation. Take care. Jai Hind.
A very pleasant good morning to all the students of DPS Jaipur, and good morning to all the dear parents who are very proud today to see their children's name and pictures in the Scholar Badge virtual ceremony of 2021. Dear children, you all know that India is one of the youngest nations of the world, and you are the future of our nation. As rightly said, India's future is not being made in the assemblies, but it is being created in the schools of today. Dear children, you are the future of our nation. With your perseverance, with your commitment, with your dedication towards your studies, you are all moving forward and paving a beautiful future not only for yourself, your family, but society and your nation also. DPS Jaipur recognizes your commitment to your studies, and your hard work is being appreciated today it is being celebrated today in the form of the Scholar Badge ceremony. You are lucky that you are guided by our chairperson, Mrs. Dhara Jaipuria, our director, Mrs. Aditi Misra ma'am, who with the mantra of the joyful learning keeps on infusing in all of us an enthusiasm to work harder to create conducive learning spaces for you. Even in these unprecedented times, the virtual Scholar Badge ceremony has been kept intact. I'm sure this ceremony is going to motivate you and you will feel appreciated for your efforts that you have put in staying at home, staying away from the school, your peer group and your teachers. Dear children, kudos to all of you for working hard and thank you to the parents for keeping a watch on your children, keeping them immersed, engaged in education, even if it is online, away from the schools, but you have kept the spirit of our children alive. Thank you to all the teachers who, in spite of not being with the students, have not left them in the spirit. And with all your efforts, doubt clearing classes, remedials and support, you have ensured that children are engaged, not only in scholastic activities, but also you have mentored them in the co-scholastic activities also. So the holistic development, that is the logo of the school moving towards excellence, has also come alive in your efforts. Thank you, dear children.
Namaskar, dear parents, students and all members of DPS Jaipur family. It gives me immense pleasure to congratulate the success of our children. Our children who have really worked even in these unprecedented times and have emerged as winners. Children, you have not only made your family proud, but all of us proud of you and your achievements. Your success is definitely not individually your success, it is our success. We have also been a part of your wonderful journey and we are proud of the fact. I'm sure you will continue to put in the best of your efforts and make the DPS Jaipur always proud of each one of you. In a classroom, we have children with varied interests and of course they come from various backgrounds. But the ultimate motto for a teacher and a good school is to take them together forward and making the best out of them. We at DPS Jaipur always ensure the holistic development of our children and I'm sure we have been able to achieve that. Once again, I congratulate the children, their families and of course the team of teachers who help them in learning in these times and have made them shine across the sky. Thank you. All the best.
धररी कुकु तक तक जनक जनक तकता जनक जनक तकता जनक जनक तकता जिजकिट दिलांग दुमकिट दादा दुमकिट दादा दुमकिट दादा था था थरकिट 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 तक थरकिट दादा दा धा 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 धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता धागिट कद कद गिन धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता गिनतरांग धा दित्ता धा धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता थरकिट तक
Parents, grandparents, and dear children, a very good morning to you on a day which is special not only to each one of you but also to each one of us at school. On this special day, I feel great honor in extending my thanks to each one involved in this event. Let me begin by congratulating, appreciating, and applauding the young scholars and achievers who have worked very hard to celebrate what they have achieved today. Dear children, you hold a special place in our heart. This achievement today opens up new avenues for you to explore and reach greater heights. I wish to thank our dear parents for supporting us in all possible ways and allowing us to nurture these beautiful children and in shaping the young students into successful scholars. I know it has been a difficult year that has gone by, but with your support, we will emerge as winners. My heartfelt gratitude to our director, Ms. Aditi Mishra, a visionary, a leader, a mentor, and a trailblazer, who has always inspired, motivated, and guided us. Thank you so much, ma'am. My deepest gratitude to our pragmatic and idealistic principal, Ms. Rita P. Taneja, who has motivated us at every step and has always been with us in our need. Along with her, at DPS Jaipur, we have been able to upgrade our knowledge every day. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your guidance and support. My sincere thanks to our Vice Principal, Mr. Ravi Dutt, for motivating us in all that we do with a courteous smile and a supportive hand. Thank you, sir, for for your insightful suggestions for every detail. I would like to thank all the academic coordinators, Ms. Preeti Duggal, Ms. Jyoti Arya, Ms. Puneet Khurana, and Ms. Mona Sharma for showcasing this event so very beautifully, even though through this virtual platform. I will fail in my duties if I do not acknowledge the hard work of the very dedicated team, the computer department, the very energetic team of performing arts, and the entire faculty of DPS Jaipur who have worked diligently to attain the landmark. I cannot thank them enough for the willingness and commitment for keeping the Delhi public school spirit high even during these unusual times. We are truly blessed to have you on board. A special mention to the cultural coordinator, Ms. Shalini Kulshresht, for adding poise and color to all the programs along with her very dedicated team. Dear students, sooner or later you will enter the workforce, and for any nation to progress, its workforce must be self-managing, self-developing and self-sustained. Let your dreams be bigger than your fears and your actions louder than your words. Once again, congratulations for your commendable academic achievement. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.